This is the video guide that will help you to get rid of online scam that is related to the site Graneu.click. Some people see these pretty strange pop-ups by this site Graneu.click, and truly these pop-ups are absolutely fake and deceptive, and you should not tolerate them. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the results of some adware enabled in the system. We recommend you to be very careful and not to tolerate these pop-ups. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the result of some adware enabled in your computer. We recommend you to carefully examine your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and after it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.